How to fix Instagram story music not working. Let's get right into the tutorial. Sometimes while posting a story, you might not get the option for Instagram music. This might be because you have a creator account and not a personal account. So to fix this issue, you have to make sure to change your Instagram account from creator to personal account. To do that, open the Instagram application and go straight to your profile. Tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that. Under for professionals, you will see the option for creator tools and controls. Tap on that and now switch to personal account if your account is set to creator account. Since as discussed, we cannot add music in creator account. Tap on the switch account type option and then on switch to personal account. In the pop-up that appears, tap on switch to personal account again, and with this your personal account will be set. Now go back to your newsfeed and swipe right. You will be able to add story from here. Open any picture. I will take a blank snap here. Now tap on the sticker icon and you can see I am now able to add music to Instagram story. If it is still not fixed, open App Store on your device and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly and for all features to work. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. With this, your Instagram music issue will be fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.